What's up everyone, Amy here. Over the last few months, I've been getting a lot of messages about the Groovefunnels affiliate program and how you can make money with Groove. So in this video, I'm going to go through how the Groovefunnels affiliate program works, finding your affiliate links, how to get paid, and give you an affiliate marketing framework to help you succeed. You ready? Let's go. All right, let's talk about how the Groovefunnels affiliate program works. It's free to join and there's no application required at this stage. I'm going to leave a link in the description area if you'd like to sign up and be an affiliate. Once you click on that link, you will see this page here. So just scroll down and click on Get Started right now to create your free account, and you'll automatically be enrolled in Groovefunnels affiliate program. Plus, you also receive some bonus training from me as well. In terms of affiliate commission rates, affiliates with a free account earn 20% commission on their own referrals and 5% on second-tier referrals. As a paid, or if you upgraded to their lifetime plan, you'll earn 40% commission on your own referrals and 10% on second-tier referrals. I'll cover second-tier referrals in a moment. Now, how much do you get paid? At the time of recording, Groove has 2 payment options and it's only for their lifetime package. A one-time payment of $13.97 and 5 monthly payments of $497. Let's do some simple numbers. Assuming that most people purchase the one-time payment of $13.97 on your free account, you will earn $279 per sale. With a paid or a lifetime account, you'll earn $559 per sale. Now, obviously, if someone decides to pay 5 monthly installments of $497, you'll earn more, as you can see here, because that's $1,000 more than $13.97 as a one-time payment. But I will go on the assumption that most people would like to save money with one-time payment, and a majority of your affiliate commissions will fall in this column. Now, Groove is planning to increase their lifetime price from $13.97 to $24.97 in 3 increments. Unfortunately, I don't know the exact dates of the price increase, and there hasn't been an official dates announced by Groove Digital yet. All I know is that the price will creep up to $24.97 by the end of the year or until Groove goes out of beta. Let's assume that the next price increase is $16.97. With a free account, you'll earn $339 per sale. On the lifetime account, you'll earn $679 per sale when the price increases. When Groove increases its price to $24.97, you'll earn more, but the window of time to promote Groove could only be a couple of months before they go out of beta. Let's talk about the 2-tier affiliate commission. Groove also pays you 5 to 10% in second-tier commissions, and it stops at the second level, which means that if you are an affiliate on the free account and someone signs up through your affiliate link and they too decide to promote Groove, you will receive an additional 5%, which is $70 on the free account as a one-time payment. But if you're an affiliate on the paid or lifetime account, you will receive an additional 10%, which is $140. One thing to note here is that this doesn't mean that your referrals receive 10% less. They will still receive their full 20 or 40% affiliate commission rate, so everyone wins. Once Groove is out of beta or decides to switch to their monthly payment plans, it's recurring income every month as long as that user stays on their monthly plan, which means the lifetime plan will no longer be available and there will be 3 monthly plans: $99 per month on the silver plan, $199 per month on gold, and $299 per month on the platinum plan. And depending whether you're on the free account or the paid account, you'll receive different monthly commissions, as you can see right here. On top of that, you'll also receive an additional 5 to 10% of second-tier commissions if you have people who signed up under you who also promote Groovefunnels as well. Each plan will have access to different apps and feature limits. However, it's the platinum plan that gives you access to all the Groove apps. So feel free to take a screenshot of this. But basically, silver, $99 per month, gold $199, and platinum is $299 per month. So there's 2 opportunities really here: promoting the lifetime deal where you get a higher ticket commission, or receiving recurring income when Groove switches to a monthly payment plan. So how do you find your affiliate links to promote Groove? Log into your Groovefunnels dashboard, and there's 2 ways to navigate to the affiliate area. One is by clicking on the Groovefunnels affiliate program button here. You'll see a video from Mike Filsame explaining how the program works. Then you want to scroll down under promotion tools and click on links. You will see all your affiliate links that direct people to different promotional pages. The first link here that you see, Groovefunnels, this will be your affiliate link that directs people to the free Groovefunnels account sign up page. And that page looks like this. For the upgrade page, this will be your affiliate link that directs people to Groovefunnels lifetime upgrade page, which is still currently available. And that page looks like this. For the package description, free and lifetime page, that page looks like this. And this allows people to compare the limits that they will get on the free compared to the lifetime account. For Groove Live webinar with Simon Leong, that page looks like this. And it's directing people to a webinar training on how to start an online business using Groovefunnels. This page is great for people who want a product overview and a live demo training. And you have Groove Cart, which is your affiliate link to promote Groove to the e-commerce community, which looks like this. Let's click Go Back to Promo Tools, and you can click on Statistics here to see the number of impressions, sign-ups, sales, and commissions you received. I'll click on Go Back to Promo Tools again, and there's a whole bunch of affiliate tools that you can use here, such as email swipes, blog reviews, banner ads, social media post copy that you can use to promote Groovefunnels. My preference though is to go to the Groove Affiliate dashboard by clicking on the Groove Affiliate app over here, and under View, make sure you're in the affiliate view, not the vendor view, because if you click on that again, it switches you to the vendor view. You want to click on that and be in the affiliate view. Click on Promos, and you want to head over here and click on this link icon here. There's going to be a pop-up, and these were the same affiliate links for the promotional pages we mentioned previously, as well as when you click on the promo tab, you have the same promotional tools available. I prefer using the Groove Affiliate app interface because there's more tools and data available for you. For example, if I go back to promos, you see this present icon over here. If you click on that, this is where you can add bonuses for anyone who signs up to your affiliate link on either the free account or the lifetime or paid account. Now, I made a training on how to add bonuses in Groove Affiliate, so I'm not going to cover it in this video, and I'll leave a link to that training in the description area. What I also like in this view is that when you click on reporting and click on transaction, let's just close out of this. You want to click on date and then select all time. And you can see the details of who signed up through your affiliate link with their first name, how much they paid, as well as their email address over here. Now, when you click on the drop-down arrow, if you click on free transaction, that's going to give you a report of everyone who signed up on the free account. And if you click on sales, that's going to give you a report of everyone who upgraded to the lifetime account, because that's the only payment option available. If they switch to monthly, you'll see the sales for the monthly payment plans as well. Now, if we go back to reporting and click on sub-affiliates, this will give you a snapshot of your downline. So how many people that sign up through you, but also promoting Groove, and it will say how many impressions that person made, how many signups, as well as how many sales they made personally. And if you go back to reporting and click on earnings report and payment history, it's going to document how much you've been paid, as well as when Groove made a payout to you, how much that amount was. How do you get paid? Make sure you're still in the Groove Affiliate app, and what you want to do is click on Settings. Under General, this is where you can change your affiliate ID or affiliate referrer ID. In Payment tabs, under PayPal, enter in your PayPal address that you would like your affiliate payouts to go to, or under Wire, you want to enter in your bank account details if you'd like to receive your affiliate payouts through wire transfer. Then you'll click on Tax Info and supply your tax ID or tax file number and click on Save. Now, the most important question, when do you get paid? This is what I see a lot of confusion over. Groove does pay out their affiliates on a weekly basis, but your commissions are released after 37 to 42 days after a sale is made. So there's a 37 to 42 day buffer period to give Groove some time to handle any potential refunds. Once this period has been passed, you can expect affiliate payouts to occur on a weekly basis. And you will go to the reporting tab, select the time frame to determine the date of sale, in which you can calculate, here's the date of sale, and 37 or 42 days have passed. So let me just show you how to do that. You'll click on reporting, click on transactions, change this to sale, and then select the time frame of when you think the sale was made. Hopefully that clears up any confusion that you might have. Let's talk about Groove Affiliate Assist. What this means is, let's say someone signed up to the free account through your link. If that person upgrades to a paid account or lifetime account through someone else's affiliate link, because the other affiliate helped close the sale, the affiliate commission is split 50-50. You get 50% and the other affiliate that helped close the sale get 50% commission as well. All right, how to promote Groove. Number one, read Groove's affiliate program terms and conditions first so you know which promotional methods are accepted. So if I go to the Groove JV page and I scroll all the way down, and even though we don't like reading the small fine print, do read it because it tells you straight up. You can't use any negative words like scam in your promotional campaign. There's all these rules here that you should read, especially gaming the system clause. Now, everyone will have their own preference of promoting Groove. I've seen people successfully promote Groove using various traffic strategies such as making YouTube videos, search engine optimization, starting a Facebook group, driving traffic through social media organically, like from Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or they're running ads on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. And since there's so many affiliate marketing courses out there, one person will be telling you one strategy and another person will be telling you another strategy. It's basically business. So just realize that everyone will have their own agenda if they're trying to sell you a course on how to make money online. I don't have a specific marketing strategy for you because there's so many strategies that you can apply. What I like to give you is an affiliate marketing framework. So here's the framework. 1, use the Groove apps. Get familiar with what each app can and cannot do. If you don't know what you're selling and you don't know how to use it, how can you possibly help answer people's questions in regards to the Groovefunnels platform? 2 is who. Who do you want to serve? Determine the target audience that will benefit the most from Groove's platform. Are they local businesses? Are they agencies? Are they coaches, network marketers, e-com store owners? I made a training on using Facebook Audience Insight to research your target audience, so I suggest you check it out. Problems and solutions. Once you know your target audience, create a list of their problems and challenges and ask yourself, can the Groove platform help solve their problems? You can find these problems on Facebook groups and YouTube comments. Just read them. People will tell you their needs and their challenges and what they want solved. 4 is where. So that's which traffic platforms is your target audience on and that you're most comfortable using and have experience using. Examples of where is you like being on Facebook. Connect with people in Facebook groups or build your own Facebook group. Or maybe you're always watching videos on YouTube. Make educational videos like what I'm doing right now on YouTube and show people how to use the Groovefunnels platform. And no, you don't need a good webcam. You can use loom.com to record your screen share and yourself talking as a video series on YouTube. Let's say you're good at graphic design. You can use Canva and design your images and post them to Instagram or Pinterest, drive traffic back to your bridge page or your landing page, put your affiliate link there, and then promote Groove. The key here is knowing yourself deeply. If you're not a social person and you're introverted, then you may not like networking on Facebook groups, right? Even if you try it, you might find that you don't like it and you'll give up easily. So my recommendation is choosing a platform that suits your personality and your skill set and commit to it for 6 months at least. Don't spread yourself too thin across several traffic platforms because you're only one person. The more you understand a traffic platform, for example, YouTube, you understand the nuances that come with that platform and it's easier for you to test out different ideas, hooks, and angles. 5, hook and angle. Once you know where your target audience is hanging out online, the next step is crafting a hook or an angle to attract them. Ask yourself, is this hook or angle something that my target audience will be interested in, and can it help solve their problems? 6, results. Once you have your target audience attention with a hook or angle, what results can they achieve with Groove? For example, one of the problems with Shopify is buying all these apps, and the monthly fees to run an online store just keeps adding up. GrooveCart has a bunch of inbuilt apps that you can use without added monthly fees. That could be an hook or an angle that appeals to the target audience of e-com shop owners. And the problem that you're solving here is saving money from all the apps that they have to buy on Shopify on a monthly basis. Alright guys, if you don't have a free Groovefunnels account yet, support the channel by using the link in the description area below, and you also receive some Groovefunnels affiliate training from me. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and until next time, see ya!